children, I am GD Pandey. Today I have made a simple activity for you. The aim of my activity is to show you that wind is a form of energy. Required for this activity is scissor, one piece of square paper, all pins, and one wooden stick 15 to 20 centimeter. You take this square piece of paper, fold it like this. It will be in triangle shape. Again you fold it. It will again become triangle shape. It will have three corners, one corner, two corner, and third corner. From third corner here, it will be the central corner of this square piece of paper. You slightly cut with the help of scissor like this. Now you open the paper like this and cut from all four corners like this. Stop here before reaching this central point, 1 centimeter before stop your scissor. Then second corner you cut it like this, stop it here. Then third corner, cut it like this, stop it here. Then fourth corner, stop it here. Now four corners, each corner has two parts, and fold one of the part like this and like this, then like this, then like this. You see, all corners, one part is here in the center where we have made the hole. Now you take the all pin here, insert it inside like this, and then you just invert it here, and now you insert this all pin inside of this wooden stick like this. So it will become a fan like shape like this. Now your model is ready. You start to swing in air. This model shows that wind can move the object, and this resembles to windmill.